That's me. I'm just setting up my chat real quick. I'm just making sure it works. I'm not setting it up. There we go. Yay. Alrighties. All right. Hi, everybody. I'm Ultra Derek. How are you doing today? Let me put some music on. Oh, that's on. The Twitch music is off. The Twitch music is off. I was caught up on watching Henya play No Man's Sky. Makes me really want to play No Man's Sky. I used to play No Man's Sky. I used to play it while watching VTubers, basically. Yeah. Yep. Imagine that. Imagine that. So I'll be listening to Henya or Pippa and then play No Man's Sky. Yeah. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. She's yeah, she's playing for the first time, so she named a planet after herself. Yeah. She's learning the ropes. The ropes, I say. So, I've been working on this program. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. I did the debugging part. I was kind of working on a lot yesterday. Kind of wrapping my head around. I forget like how long I was working on that last part. But I did it with the chat. And then I did it a little bit today. I spent like an hour and a half like building a function for the videos. Because like it was downloading the videos. And yeah. It was downloading the videos, but it didn't mark that it was like in the thing. So I did like check that. What is this? Get all streams without. I don't know if this fucking. What is this? Get all strings without chat path. I don't know why I did. Why did I do this again? the fuck? Check chat maintenance. Oh, I downloaded the chat. That was missing. Yeah. And it did that. I just did it one at a time. I didn't parallelize it. So I think I'm going to make like a, I'm going to do not this here. I think I'm going to make like a workers for this. I'm going to have separate workers. And maybe I'll make like 20 of them or something. I think. I don't know. I definitely like for the chats. Oh, it'll be updating everything anyway. So, yeah. We'll be adding in like clips here soon. But that's like an API/database thing. So I don't think I really need a worker for that. But I think like like I was looking at this guide, not that guide. I was looking at this guide because I was trying to like stay away from, I think I want to try to stay away from weight groups. I think I do. I'm not like 100% sure. Go some key. Key string. Blocks only go routine at a time can access the map CV. See, was that changing stuff? Maybe I need to defer. Huh. Maybe I need to defer. Because I wasn't doing a defer. I was running the errors. I don't know if this has been closed or not. But here, like when I was starting this stuff up, like the workers, I was creating workers and they was just giving me a bunch of zeros. And that should not be happening. That should not have been happening. So I gotta go in here anyway. Rate handler. I don't know if I should have this here. Assign RM lock. Copy. Maybe why would they just like do it before this? Max value. Maybe it unlocks it afterwards. At your return. Assign needs fixing. Yeah, we need to fix that. Let's do that there. What's this? I think I can have that there. That's probably smart there. This is not returning. So, right. Current workers. Like here, I think I need to have like a progress thing here. Like a select progress. And then like maybe like a select something else. I don't like this function. And this goes on forever. Yeah, like I should have like this here and then maybe something here. Available worker -1. If that's -1. Assign worker. So like this here was like checking each time. And basically this holds until like a worker's available. But I hate this. I hate this. And this goes into nothing. Maybe like maybe I can change this. So this thing like doesn't work. Yeah. If worker is true. Worker ID. RM worker ID. Maybe this is going into it several times, but this is like in a function, so I just don't understand. Because I changed the data, I increased it. This part worked. Range of worker I. So there should be 0 to 1,000,000. Done equals true. Current workers. ++. RM unlock. Worker ID. Print LN. So anyways, I think I'm going to make like I got progress here. What's this progress? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Rate handler. Run. So this running runs. Worker available. See, it wasn't even going into it that fast. And I think I made this like when I create it, I only make it one big. Yeah. Progress. What's progress? Wait a second. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think like here, current workers -. I think I can have this like in here. Sort of. Oh, wait a second. I do. I kind of do this. Yeah. Progress worker ID, time left 00. If progress done, yeah. So I got a VOD. What? VOD's got big. So maybe I can do like a, oh. Hello. There's always a rewrite, right? I'm thinking about like redoing it all. I'm thinking about it, man. So bad. Is that in my description? I can't remember. I closed everything. I'm thinking about, or is that my thumb? The third rewrite's usually the best. Well, like I think about like just doing like a whole new thing, and like I'm gonna copy and paste a ton of shit over, right? But there's just like some structural things. It's just like I'm just having like a hard time like wanting to fucking delete stuff. That's the only problem. And there's like some, I mean, yeah. By the time there's a fourth rewrite, you start getting impatient with the subject. I just think I just need to do like a, I don't really want to change my database, so to speak. Although I probably would now. Because like everything was based on me like scraping stuff. Like scraping the websites. But then like I learned the APIs were pretty fucking powerful. I was like, oh shit. And I mostly got the API for Twitch because I wasn't able to scrape it fully. So, yeah. I don't know about this worker ID. I don't think I need to do this worker ID. I don't think I need to do this here either. Return order. This allows you to return an order. Yeah, I want to redo like how I'm kind of doing my web crawler. Hey, man, look at this. Features to parallelize the web crawler. Modify a crawl function using URLs to parallel without fetching the same URL twice. But maps alone are not safe for concurrent use. Oh. You're telling us to parse? You're telling us to web crawl? Unlock and unlock. Tick, tick, boom. Do they have the weight groups in here? Range and close. Select. Default selection. Yeah, this is the last of it. So I was thinking about something kind of like this, maybe, but like I just don't like, ooh, Fibonacci sequit. So how does this like keep from fucking select statement? Let to go routine. Wait for, oh, so it's blocking until you hit quit. That's my only problem. Like how I have it set up here. Like Here, let me show you all. Not handler, it's in main. Not there. Like if I go into here, I think I had an ad here. It's still fucking like didn't stop. Like I go into here and I send a work order here. Right? And it goes into here. And then it's supposed to be like WGWG done. This should be a pointer, right? Yeah, this is a pointer too, right? Uh-oh. RWO work order. Oh. Oh, it came in under a work order. So yeah. It's a pointer to all the same shit. So I just don't understand what's going on. I don't think I need it. Like, I'm gonna like do this. I don't need cookies here. Not right now. Yeah, so I can't figure out why the fuck it's like not parallel. Like I can't figure out why it's fucking doing that shit. 4. Oh shit. What'd I cut off? Is it this? Else do nothing. All right, so I guess I had something here. I'm gonna delete this. Wait a second. So that's at the end. What's this? Oh shit. I don't want to be there. Ah shit. Yeah, so I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong though, but something's going fucking wrong. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. I'm just trying to think of how to close a channel because I have a worker. And the one handing the shit out is supposed to close the channels. Right? But here they have it like, it's like backwards. It's like thinking backwards, and I like, it's so like weird. All right, so here you close the channel, right? So you do the Fibonacci sequence. Go Fibonacci. So you do all that sequence there, and then you close it. So this here just prints everything out, right? And it's only one of them doing it. It's only one thing doing it. So here you have a for loop sitting in the thing, and you do your go func. Then you call this one function, and funny though. Oh. quit. Like, let's run this. Remote server. So here, this function's like waiting here, and it's like grabbing these, and oh, that's kind of cool. So print C. This is so fucking weird. It prints whatever comes out, right? See, I can't do that though. I can't do that. I can't do that. Let's see how this one works. Select case I, see, use I default. Are they wanting me to fix shit up or? I put something in there. Oh, tick. Tick, 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 boom. Tick, 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 boom. Tick, boom. See, this is like, for me, like thinking like this, I'd call this timer, ticking timer or something like that. And then like final, yeah, anyways. Elapsed function, return, what the fuck? Time start, round, millisecond. What the fuck? Okay, what? Elapsed? Okay, so this is a function elapsed that they made, right? And they go in this for loop. And it calls elapsed. This is fucking crazy. Where's the tick? Where's the tick channel? Wait a second. What? I am so fucking confused right now. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? So this is just a function, right? They don't... How do they know it's ticking and stuff? How do they know it's ticking? When is it? When are they sending shit in the channels? Man, I am so confused. I am so fucking confused. So like... I wish I could make this like move up so I can see. Maybe I can hit this. Yeah, this is so weird. Dot, dot. This sleeps. Time millisecond. Can I refresh this? Don't know Go, but usually when you have async runtimes like this, there's a language standard library underneath that's doing the tick scheduling for you. Ah. Yeah, but here's a channel. This is what's getting me. Wait a second. that's probably the channel. Time. Golang package. That is the channel. Types. Ugh. Shit. Time tick. Time after. I hit the wrong button. Time tick. I said tick, right? The tick. It's a function. There it is. It returns the time. It returns that. Interesting. New ticker. All right, so it's... Yeah. There we go. That makes sense. They should have described like what that was. Am I like crazy here? Yeah, they should have described like time tick is a function that returns a channel. I guess like, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. It's the show. Time tick, tick, boom. Boom after. Time after. Shit. I'm like so used to doing new windows. After D. After waits. Before go 1.13, documentation warned that the underlying timer cannot be recovered by the garbage collector until the timer fired. And if efficiency was returned, code could return a new timer instead and call timer stop if the timer is no longer needed as a So there's no reason to refer to new timer when after will do. All right, whatever. Tick these nuts. Tick tock. You don't stop. So I think in here I want to have like something like this. Download VOD. Order. Get fresh crew. I think I'm gonna make this like, yeah, this is gonna be it basically. Download VOD worker. Maybe. So this will take one of these fuckers. What's the chan progress? I don't think I need that. Does this even do anything in it? Oh, I do need a prep pass. Yeah, I need to pass it here. Huh. I know what to do. Let's make a... You know, let's make a worker. Func, no type. Yeah. Worker strut. We'll put something in there. I don't know yet. All right, so W star worker. Download VOD. So this will take actually a chan. Stuff comes out of the chan. All right. For order, range of order. Oh shit. Can we have a... Oh, I guess we can. Oh. Oh. Wait a second. Let's just cut this first. I don't know if I like that. This will be order. Order. Ow. Ow. I do a lot of shit in here. I return output string. E cookies bool output string error. Maybe I should have an error channel. Ooh, that'll be kind of cool. All right, so I can pass like stuff back, right? Pass people around like your mom. Passing her around like a doob. Shit, sorry. I think I'm gonna like play No Man's Sky. Henry's got me. I want to start like a fresh new one. There's like, you can make like can you make frigates? Is it frigates? Maybe like they had frigates for a while. Like you can make like custom ships now. They need to stop fucking updating the game, for fuck's sakes. It's getting out of control. I kind of like wanted to... I could just... Like, I don't know why I had this. Because an order can just... Yeah. Oh, I got a deadly idea. Deadly. All right, so I'm thinking, chat. I'm thinking. Like, as long as anything satisfies this, which is like basically if they have all this shit, this is out of control. By the way, why is it all? They're not gonna know what's inside it. How are they gonna like fucking fill that up? Oh, because they do a create order. That's right. That's right. That's right. So let's think about having a worker struct, and maybe I could save like some things in here. I don't know yet. It's like maybe like other channels. Maybe like the output string error needs cookies. Because this needs to get like out somewhere first, because like needs cookies is pretty important, especially when it comes to YT, YouTube. Yeah. So I guess like here we can set like ooh, man, I'm gonna have to go through every single like worker and set the like needs cookies flag. Yeah. Yeah. All right. This is oh. Because I'm going to spin up like 15 of these, right? Well, up to 15. I don't know, maybe 20 or something. I don't know. I was thinking about doing like this, but I might just have like these be a switch. A select switch. Not a switch, a select. Yeah, like a select. But I don't know what to do for the default. That's the only problem. I could do nothing. I can have it wait like a second. That'll keep it from like burning out. Because you need to have like a for loop like this. And then like you do like a select. And then in like case order. Like O order rotor, and then yeah, boom. It's like oh, and then like let me copy this. Boom. What the fuck is wrong with this, bitch? Yeah, I know I can. Case. Default. What? Oops. I'll be honest, for one thing, unless you're trying to roll your own, I'd let YouTube DLP handle this unless I don't know what you're doing here. I'm trying to download like 15 in parallel or whatever, right? YouTube DLP is doing it. They're doing it right here. Yeah, I wrapped it using the command. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna learn how to fucking. I guess I could use FFmpeg, but I'm not gonna like write my own shit. I'm just trying to parallelize it. And like, I like always forget to download and then I have to write everything down. So I'm automating it. I'm automating it all. I'm just going to comment this out. But I'm just running into like, it's not a race condition, but what's happening is that fmt.println, go fuck yourself. Time.sleep. Time.second. There we go. I'm gonna have like another one in here. It's gonna take an order. It's gonna take several orders. Maybe this will be like VOD order. Ooh. And then I'll have like a chat order. Yeah, I just forget to download things, and then I'm kind of like stuck in a hard spot. So eventually I want to just get like live stream stuff. And then like I want to be able to put it in I think it's a .ts file, which is used for broadcasting. Yeah. But I'm just, for here, I'm running into something. What's like fucking wrong over here? Undefined view. Isn't that here? I didn't change it. Oh, it's because of this, I think. All right. So I'm trying to think of a way to, I guess, like, close these things. Oh, I kind of have an idea. All right. I think I know. How do I wait? How do I wait? This is why I've kind of been bringing this up. So I think like here, like here in the main, I'm doing it per channel, but maybe like what I can do is just like rack up a bunch of orders. I can just put them all in there, but like not send them out yet. Like put them all in an array, and then like at the end, maybe I can have a for loop passing them out. Or, oh, wait a second. Maybe I can like, no, I can't use the goes. I can't use the goes. See here, they have like this range here doing it, but that's only like one of them. Yeah. And how does it know when to end? Oh, see close. Yeah. One to see, it's only one thing like working, so like I can't do it like that. This here, they have the function here doing it, and this motherfucker will close it. I guess I can kind of do it like that, but I gotta spin up like tons of them, so I can't do that because each one of these I'm gonna have like a go thing, so I can't have this block. If you don't care about the number of parallels, you can have a channel per channel. Work queued with a scheduler as a pattern for this channel. If you don't care about. What is it? This looks like a work queue with scheduler as a pattern. The channel, if you don't care about the number of parallels, you can have a channel per channel source. I could do that, yeah. I could spin up like a... You can spin up like... Can you spin up millions? How many go routines can you... How many go routines can you spin up? Hundreds of thousands or millions of go routines, because the go routines start with a very small stack that grows and shrinks as needed. I guess I could. The thing is like, I want to like, if I have like, that'd be fine if it's just like one thing. But a lot of times, like, I guess I could do like, I could get for loop it for that. Yeah, I guess we can do that. But the thing is like updating the shit. Yeah. I guess I can do one individually. I'd rather just send the workers, like send it to it. But this was also, I guess I did kind of like build this just to get building, like start putting stuff into it from Twitch, because Twitch, the stuff disappears. Maybe I need to think more like that. I just don't like... I was kind of doing it here, but it closed out. Maybe I can do something like that towards the end. Let me think about that. I might have to use the restroom here. Where's my pencil? Let's resize the canvas. Or we'll resize the image. What was that? 2160? There you go. How is this like so big still? It's 8 pixels. Like, I don't think like, is 8 pixels that big on my... Is this to scale? All right. And launch a channel. I think I might have like, okay, this is, I'm gonna have to use the restroom. I'll be right back. And then I'm gonna write down like maybe how I want to build it out. Because I can use a lot of this stuff to still like put into there, right? So yeah, I'll be right back. that down. Put my keyboard over here. I really need a means to draw and ooh. Okay, so I need like a command. Oh no. Is this not plugged in? Oh shit. I spilled like a drink on it the other day, but I thought it was like sealed up. All right, cool. Control Z. I just had to replug it in. All right. This thing's a little bit in my way. This fucking microphone, man. So I do need like something that like, so I have like a web UI where I can add channels to it. So I do need to have something that like I guess something that will like check DB for new channels. And then make a go routine for each channel. Each channel. Fuck my life. Control Z. Each channel. So let's constantly have to check the database. The thing is, if it's like a brand new one, I guess it wouldn't matter. Like, it wouldn't be like, I wouldn't have to fucking worry about it because it's just going to be running on and on and on forever anyway. But the thing is, I don't want to do like, I really don't want to have like more than 15 at a time, right? Like, let's say I get like, I have a gigabyte or a gigabit. I have a gigabit internet, but it's not, that's not infinite, right? But streams usually aren't too bad because I think like usually max, they don't really use more than like 1 megabyte. But if I'm only working with like 100 to 125 megabytes max, yeah, that's bad. But like if I'm also like downloading VODs, I don't want to be spending all day like downloading a VOD, especially if there's like a 10-hour one. And right now I don't have like any means to really like do like a live download, like track that. Yet. But then I can have like, and then like if I'm doing YouTube and Twitch, I mean, like that's gonna add even more. Let's get back in here. I should just like use the boxes, right? Let's do it like a true fucking... Whoa, that's all the way over there. All right. Let's move this. Ah! Control Z. Ah! Shit. Fuck. I just wanted to hit shift. There we go. And then like... eh. Here. And the lock mutex run only X number of things to hold the lock, and then they try to acquire when at saturation and then have them wait. See, I've been trying to do that, but like it just fucking keeps on waiting. Like I don't know why it's not like unlocking it. And I don't know if it's a bug from them. I'd hope it's not. Like evict a VOD download if it's blocking a stream. I shouldn't have to do that. Like I said, like I've been downloading them like at megabytes. I can like, and I've been doing them about like 12 times faster. Like 5 at a time. I like to get the VODs faster than anything, because like you never know if you're gonna have like a fucking you never know if you're gonna ever have a freaking power outage or whatnot. And then like if you get like a bunch of new ones, like you don't want to be stuck. I am fucking all this up, chat. This is why I like doing layers sucks. All right. Let's make a new like group. All right. Boxes. Eel sleeps until the locks is available or something. Like, I'm just using like a wait group, man. A wait group will like, did I use like the wrong terminology? A wait group you can add to it, and then like you have like a wait function that will like keep the program from just like leaving while other Go routines are working. All right. So I was kind of like I made this like a Go routine. I kind of liked how this set up. I'm kind of moving away from doing this, like this Go funk. Did I do it in here? I tried to like do like start this as outside as a Go routine, but yeah, you can add this in here. Because what happens in here is that this sends it on the channel, right? And this doesn't block it. It's done, right? It's like, eee, I'm out of this shit. So like it'll for loop on that until like I set like 15, right? Go workers. And then like I had like and I don't need to make it like too much more than this, but like I do have like in here you can create a buffer. Yeah, here's the buffer for the worker channel. I could probably make it less than this, especially if I'm having like 15 fucking workers out there. Maybe I can make it like, I don't want to make it 1, but like here, like I was like, I think I was doing like 8 or something. Yeah, 8. So like if I didn't have this ad in there, yeah, if I didn't have this ad in there, as soon as like the last part of this here was done and I didn't have this white group part, it would just like, it'll just fucking leave. It would just leave. It'll all return when you... Yeah. Well, this is just for like right now, right? This is like an initiation. Initialize it. Especially like, okay, so like, let's say this gets shut down for like 2 days or so. Or I've had like a few more in there, or if there was like, let's say like I had a power outage and there's like 20 partial downloads or so, right? Like I need to do some fucking cleanup and I want to do it like all in parallel and all that jazz. So I kind of want to have like this function at least wait till everything's done. Yeah, I know what you're saying, but like there are things I want to do like initialize as the thing starts up. Yeah. I'm already starting off this. And maybe like I don't even... Yeah, I already had to like set up like... One of them was like, it was downloading the videos, but it didn't like update the path for some odd reason. And I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why it didn't update the path, but it downloaded it. I wonder if it got stuck somewhere like in there. Like, and I had to do like this. Like, yeah, I had to check. Like, I was like thinking all the reasons why like something might be broken. I was like, and then I still got to have the errors in there. Like, for one of them, it's just like, just fix it. Fix it yourself. That's what I kind of came up with. Like, you're gonna have to go in there and delete it or whatever. Would be like if there's like an OS, like if the OS doesn't allow me to do it for some odd reason. You never know if there's like these like outliers, especially when you're dealing with like other programs. That's what I'm finding out. Like system programs. There's all these fucking outliers. It's not like it feels like I'm kind of building a robot, but I'm like semi-blind because I don't know exactly what like YouTube DLP fucking returns as errors. Like I think it returned an error on a few of these things and like it still downloaded the whole video. So, but before, I think I returned like after an error. But like I'm gonna have to like double check like the duration size. Because now I have the duration size. I can double check the download and the duration size of the download. Ooh, that's a good idea, actually. After a download. Because I'm not downloading it myself. I just have this other fucking program doing it. Python one, no matter that. Because the stream endpoint advertising packets, it just doesn't show up on stream. And I think that, yeah, you could be right on that. Like that could have been like one of the issues because even though it says archive on the Twitch API, like it's not an archived video. Like it'll also include like currently streamed videos, but like they have an archive section. I can give an example. Like for like Henya. Let's mute her here. Like videos. Like here, this is and she's 4 hours and 51 minutes and 53 seconds in. But this is considered like an archived video. like in the, at least in the API, like at least in the wrapper that I have from that. So like, yeah, even though she's currently streaming, which is kind of, I mean, like this is kind of nice too, because YouTube DLP, like if I was to capture like her stream straight up, like on here, unless I send if I don't send cookies, it'll capture the commercials. It'll capture the commercials. And like the download for like this here, my goodness, it looks ugly as fuck. Yeah. Looks ugly as fuck. Yeah. Maximize user compute. Yeah. I still want to fucking play this game right now. It started becoming maintenance. That's why I stopped like playing. I was like, if I'm just doing stuff as maintenance now, it's just like, it's not really fun. It becomes a chore. Creature pellets acquired. Oh, required. She needs creature pellets. I'm getting distracted. So yeah. So, but luckily, there's a way to catch it though. And I found this out. And I've just been throwing it away because I don't know how to deal with it yet. There's a 404. Like it'll give you like a link to the thumbs. So this is like one thumbnail. And it's like whatever size this is, like let's say it's like this is 1080p and then you got 1920. So it'd be like I'm sorry, this is 1080p, this is 1920. So it'd be like 1080p times like 8 by 1920, and it kind of it goes cuts through and like it's weird. Old and done enough dev work that I can vibe code things and know enough the edge cases beat up AI into not making bad decisions. Yeah, like when I was like kind of doing this stuff, like Grok was telling me, like when I was doing like the parsing, because I was just gonna run the parser like in parallel, and you know, and like there's hidden panics. Like if you ran a function that inside, it'll panic inside of it. I was like, I don't want to panic, man. I don't want to panic. Panic is the worst. The worst. You just got to keep on going no matter what. And you try to I'm figuring this out too. You just try to fix it as you go. Maybe this is what it's like being a doctor. Like, at least I'm not able to update while it's like alive. I haven't had to do that yet. I can at least put it to sleep. Yeah. Man, she gets a lot of views. Holy shit. Oh yeah, smug about my new outfit. Did she start like a whole new thing? Oh. JP collab. All right. I think I can just copy and copy and copy. One thing that can help here is spin up a small program to test the edge cases and figure out those out before bringing it back into that original program. especially if you don't want to interrupt the running one. Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's how I've been doing, like doing this. I'm just like checking out, like I'm kind of doing this just to see, like, I guess I think I kind of got lost. I was kind of wanting to do it the way that you said to begin with. And I kind of got lost in the sauce because of this fucking weight group thing. But I just thought like maybe I can just, well, I was thinking maybe like I can have some check the time, right? Like I'll go through like all these content creators. I forget what I have fucking in here for it. Time of day update. I don't know if that was like what I was wanting to do exactly. Yeah, this is like the time of day they usually start streaming. I was gonna put that in there. And then like when they start streaming typically, or like I was like, I have to set up like a basically like a how they like you know, like how like on phones, like you can do like you can have your email on it, like how to set up email on iPhone. Let's just do this. They probably don't do it like this any longer. The old days you had to set up like that. What the fuck? Let me go back. I forget what all the terminology. The IMAP and I think the IMAP there, yeah. So you can like have like a little thing there and they get your emails and you can get notifications through that. So I was thinking about kind of doing something like that. That would be able to also like add new accounts and everything. But definitely like if I'm grabbing like old VODs for streams like on YouTube, like there's some people that have like 600 of them. 600 of them. Yeah. Name is unused. So that's like the next step. But right now I'm just like adding stuff in. I'm just gonna get like all old stuff. All old stuff. Ari's VODs for a project I didn't do anything with it a while ago. I grabbed all Aguras. I was like, because I didn't realize that Hololive actually like keeps the channel up. I thought they would fucking like private it. Or delete. I don't know if they delete it. I know like some places will just delete it and delete all the shit. They did Henya's old channel before she was Henya. Henya's done. What the fuck, Dayo? Agura, I think, technically able to come back. Oh. Man, that'd be like... When's Saba coming back herself? Shit, last time she streamed was like back in February, right? Yeah, whatever. You know, the longer you go without streaming, the more likely you're not going to stream. It gets harder and harder. Feel all this pressure. With the contact before that, then I have a licensing agreement post contract, which made payouts contracts weird. Yeah. I know hers is like that. Which, like, doing the payments and stuff would be kind of weird. I think V Shoujo kind of did it right. But what they should have done is I think they should have had like a fee or something like that. Their business model obviously sucked because they're out of business. They look like they figured out the post-contract gratuity thing. Well, I don't know if FaZe I think they just destroyed the channel. I don't know like how no one really leaves FaZe. And they don't really fire too many people. Get their stuff deleted. And she's showing up again. Yeah. Clearly there's bad blood on the end contract. It went away. Oh, it was? Oh. So bad blood they'll delete. Oh. Oh. I didn't even realize she was like a... What are those like those models? What are those models called? Like Gravature model? A white Gravature model in Japan. It's a different contract probably. Yeah. You'd have to fucking like, there'd be a lot of trust in that, right? You'd have to trust that they'd like send you a paycheck. But eventually like shit will go away. I mean, like, if you're not uploading stuff, like, no one's gonna stop. You know, like, eventually people will stop watching it. That was good shit. Eventually, Ari. Yeah, I'm trying to think like who all fucking left. Like Clara left. They had that cat girl. Like when I first started watching Pippa, I think like not even like a month into me like getting into VTubers, like they let somebody go. I don't know if she was part of like, I don't know exactly what she was a part of. I don't think she was part of the first gen. It was like some cat girl. I forgot Kiwa's old name, but yeah. And then she was Invader with Lumi. So does she have to make like a whole new character? Cause like usually those invaders are like they take like your IP. They basically take ownership over it. I don't like that. You got to put a lot of trust into somebody about that. Like, I'm kind of surprised Mari did it. She must have a good contract. Because, like, she was already kind of doing well for herself, right? She has a model but doesn't want to use it right now. Ah. Like, she has, like, a... Oh. She did? Oh. What's her name on here? I don't know if I'll probably even follow her. It's like Kiba. Fucking, this is the worst. X has like the worst like person fucking lookup out there ever. Kiba Woo. Kiba Woo. You gotta be careful here. She went from cat to dog. for Yuri being the prior cat to bunny to dog. Man, she can't. You gotta be careful here. You never know if they're gonna have like an 18 plus section come out. Bun bites. Her battery's low, chat. Riri Pipsqueak. I should watch some of her stuff. The French one. Okay, so I forgot I did come in here to like read it. Don't call me Manhara, call me Emo. Honey, we have guests, bring out the fine china. Nice. Oh, that's Uo. Recent was months ago. Ha! Does she post every day? She posts fucking several times a day. Holy shit. So, let's do this. It was Fura. Yuri. She loves Yuri. She's a bit roughed up. I threw her a few times. My mom's kept her. Kiba-woo? Oh. Wait a second. She's replying to herself. Shit. Oh, well, I don't really care. I don't care. All right. I guess like channel. I guess just channel. Ah, shit. I just do general channel. Channel 0. Do all the things. Scan VODs if missed. Yeah. Check DB. Update DB. Downloads. I want to put something here. This isn't as strong as like my iPad's fucking shit. Yeah. Like, oh, I guess I could do this. Cut section to a new layer. I can move this down. There we go. All right. And then I can move these back together. Wait a second. merge. There we go. I guess I could still use my pencil. Wait until DL time. There we go. Excel Draw is kind of the go-to for this kind of whiteboard with a computer thing during interviews. Yeah, I'm used to Krita, but this is like, honestly, this is not meant for what I'm doing right now. Yeah, this is for drawing. I'm so hoping I don't have to do an interview too. All right. Check DB, download stuff. I kind of know what I want to do in all these things. You know what? I can just fucking start doing this right now. Yeah, the thing is like, I guess I can wait. How will I close out gracefully? Because if I do a Control C, I think I wanted to gracefully close out, like finish up the downloads and shit. Right? I'll just have a for loop on the outside. That's right. I'll be fine. Okay, I know how to close up. I think I know how to close it gracefully. Yeah, I can close each of the channels. Oh, I was like trying to do something like this, but like the fucking thing kind of like told me to do it differently. But yeah, this is fine. I can do it like this. I don't think I'm gonna have like 1,000 fucking people I want to fucking download. You know what I'm saying? Signal handler is like sig term that you can use to observe a control C. Yeah. You can have like a context on that looking for it. But I'm just trying to figure out like if it's in a for loop. I know it's gonna use this. I gotta be careful. It'll use like the it'll have to be like in a select, basically. Maybe. I really don't need to have like a go routine, but I guess like, oh, okay, I can have a select quit, and the default will be like, the default will be running that one thing, and the select quit thing will be there. And then like, I think like, let's see like how it breaks out. Maybe they have a break in there. It wasn't there. Because they had like this case quit. Oh, it returned. Oh, okay. Why was I being like retarded on this? There we go. Yeah, I can do this. So I don't need to have like a channel here, right? I don't need to have this, but I can have a case there and a default. So the case will be sitting there like waiting for it. And when it's doing the default, like it could be a while on the default, right? So even if I do like a control, I don't know how I'm going to do a control C in it, to be honest. Because like I'm going to have the system D like spin it up as soon as the computer starts up. Yeah. And then I got to make another program. Oh, I can? If I'm just like, hey, I want to like, I can do that. Can I do that outside? Like, okay. Oh, wait a second. So you know how like how you disable like system D, like, and then you like, you do like a disable, like a program. Okay. Let's say like, I'm gonna like start with, I'm not exactly sure like how to set this up, but like, or what the terminology is. So I'm just gonna ask it like using system D to run a program in the background. Okay. System D run and blah 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 blah. Set that up. Yep. Manage service key tips. Execute permissions. Ensure the program or script has executable rights using. Oh. Okay. So when I stop the program, what signal does it give the program? Does it give it? You'll be using systemd as a service with a service file. There's a bunch of stuff if you're running it as user or its own or root. Okay, so system turns signal 15 sends immediately to request a clean exit. Timeout window. Systemd waits for the program to exit on its own. By default, this time wait is 90 seconds. Can I make it indefinite? Because like it could be like kind of want to make it indefinite. Want to make it indefinite because it could be doing a long job. I just want it to end at the doing something that takes a long time. I just want it to end when it's done with everything. When it's done with everything. You can probably configure that timeout. Systemd is a very Swiss Army knife. Yeah, I think this is going to tell me like how to do it here. Seek term signal. The program must catch a signal and treat it as a stop accept. Yes, I know. Yep. Because of infinity, systemd will never send kill. It will wait. Oh, okay. And then, is there a way for it to tell me that it ended it? Is there a way to check that the program? Maybe it did tell me how to do this. Okay, wait a second. You want to save for middle ground, but save. Oh, 24 hours. Oh, yeah. Like 3 hours. I don't think it will be longer than like 4 hours. The program set language. That's all right. So is there a way to check that the program did finally end? Should show you it ended. Oh, okay. Awesome. Can I save this? Export this. Computer, export. Put a log in that says it's exited cleanly. Ooh, that's a good idea. Would you like to see how add custom shutdown log messages to your code? Just want to like. Yeah. Okay, I can go in here. I guess I can stay in here. You just print them as a PDF. Is it like a PDF thing? This shit fucking got really handy recently. This is so much better, like, to get information for, like, this than like how it was like even like 4 years ago. Holy fuck. What a time we live in. Does this copy everything? Kind of shit to holy shit in the last year. Yeah, I haven't really like, I don't really trust AI. I don't know why everybody's like fucking, especially investors have like a real hard on about trusting AI. Because it's gonna try to kill us. Almost counters the enshittification of Google search, but not really. Yeah. Let's see what I can do here. Ooh, excellent. Oh, wait a second. That's like one part. All right. CEO is maximizing fear-based advertising to get himself regulated so that others have a hard time doing what he does. Amen to that. That's what they all do. Like the leaders of like, especially like something's new, like they're like, regulate us, regulate us, regulate us. And it's like, they do that because they want to make it harder for new people to come into it. They're always like that. And then they'll like, and then when the overregulation becomes even harder for them to fucking make money, then they'll like move out. Why'd I just copy that one part? Okay, here we go. Then they'll just leave the country and go to like another one with less regulations. And then those regulations stick around here and holy fuck no, not that. You have to consider infrastructure, which is the problem he and many CEOs are intentionally not calling attention to. When you don't have to consider infrastructure, which is the problem. Real world things have to interact with the AI. It gets bad real quick. Yeah. I think PDF. I do like this. Should I say like, can you go back and make this a, will it give me a file or is it all print? Wait a second. Will it do that? Can you make this whole conversation an MD file? Whole conversation into an MD file? I still have to fucking copy and paste it all. I think fucking like, I think it fucking You kind of stopped doing it. I guess it's like still here. Mark it down is useful to force things into mark down that aren't. I was just hoping to get like a file. I thought it was going to send me a file. I should have thought better. Did it copy everything here? Oh, it did. Okay, cool. So we copied that. Let's copy this. It fucking has references. Fuck your references. All right. Does that have my questions? Here, let's do this. It doesn't have my question. Boom. Should give this like pounds or something. There we go. Meow 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 meow. The fucking incomplete thought. It fucking knew what I was talking about. All right. Pretty good. Models get confused when you ask them to mark down things that already had code blocks in them and the render bars. Whoa, what the fuck? What's going on here? What the fuck, Dayo? What's going on? I thought this was supposed to be just like Notepad. All right. I don't know which ones I grabbed. Fuck, wrong thing. Yeah, this text editor kind of sucks now. All right. It was language. Well, I thought it was gonna be fucking like Notepad. This thing, like, this runs worse than Windows Notepad, and Windows Notepad has like AI built into it now. This is like one of the worst editors I've ever used. What was my question on there? Using systemd, blah, blah, blah. When I stop a program, some of it. All right, so then I can copy this. To make systemd wait indefinitely. All right, so this one here, boom. And then copy this. There we go. Mark it down. Well, the code, like, they can just, like, isn't there like a, that's what I was trying to do, like, because they can, like, if they put code in there, then there's like a code for the markdown thing, like this here is like, this is probably in markdown. I think this was like, they probably, this whole thing's probably in markdown one way or another, or like kind of similar to it. It kind of has a lot of the feels of it. This totally feels like it. It's like, bitch, this is already marked down. That does markdown. When you ask it to put markdown tries to, oh, I see. I see. I don't know what this was here. I guess it was like they're trying to emulate like how like an editor would look when you use it. Huh. All right, so let's save this. Is there like a save? Not there. I'm gonna forget that I put it in there. I don't think I need this any longer. I should delete it. All right, so I can do this on the outside. I don't really have to fucking change anything like how I'm gonna do it like before. You know, I was gonna do it low level shit. I don't think I need to do this. I do need a means to like let everybody know. Maybe I'll like have a needs cookies flag and have like a date on it. Yeah. Let's create like a needs cookies flags in the database. Right? That'd be smart. Ish. All right, so maybe I'll just start a new table. This is only for like, yeah. This is a flag the program can use to check if it needs cookies. All right, there we go. I really don't even need an ID. Table should have at least one column of primary key at each row. Without a primary key, Oh, fuck off. Alright, I don't need timestamps. Wait a second. Alright, so... True. Wait a second. Needs cookies. Bool. False. All right. And column name. So if this is true, then I need to know like YouTube, you gotta have like a couple days. Last, I guess like time of first needing cookies. Time when needed. What is it? I don't want to have this be so verbose. All right. Suggested expressions. Let's do now. There we go. The current time base and specified. All right. I think everything's in UTC in here. So I wonder if the API does times at UTC. I'll have to double check that. I'm pretty sure it does. All right. Since first, since needing. All right. All right. Times the. It's usually a couple days. Yeah. Column since needing is what? Is of type time with the time zone, but the default expression of timestamp without the times. What? What is it? Whatever. All right. So let's add one to it. Insert row. Needs cookies. Cookies. Wait a second. Yeah. What? There we go. Type big int. What? What's a big int? There we go. I think I like deleted it and it was like, yeah, it kept it as a string. Here we go. There's our flag. I'm gonna also make another one. So job text. So yeah, jobs is gonna be. So we'll be updating this here. I think that'll be the best way. So what I'm gonna have to, if it needs cookies, I have to make sure I don't do the download. I'll have to take it off the download thing and throw it into the stack still. All right, so pop, pop, pop. Sorry, I'm listening to funk on Twitch. All right, so we got data handler. Okay, so YouTube. Got handler here. We can make a new handler. Get this work order. I kind of want to redo that. Let's make like a new thing here. Okay. Channel worker. Okay, package, data handler. Okay, so okay. I think we'll take in a content creator. Yeah, we'll take in this. And we'll take in like its YouTube channel and Twitch channel. Actually, we don't even need to take those in. But what we do need to know is like, we need to know the IDs and or the name for each. Oh my gosh, this makes it so much easier. All right, so yeah, it'd be nice to have that. But we don't need to have like, do we need to have their own channel? Last downloaded video. Yeah, that'd be nice to have. Last downloaded stream. Maybe we'll take this in too. We'll take this in. So it's pretty much going to be this. Yeah. Eventually I delete this. Meow. All right. So this would be like the VOD channel worker, I guess. Channel worker. I mean, like it's not gonna like. If it's a new one, then I can do multiple ones. Last update. Time of day update. These don't even need to be public. Last update. Does this need to be up? I don't think this needs to be up. All right, so this will be a star. Tube.channel. And YouTube, Twitch. Star. What if they need more? There we go. What? Why is this all underscore? These don't need to be exported. Shit. Shit. All right. All right, so I need to know, like, yeah, I got all the info in here, but like, I forget I was doing in other places. So I guess I'd need the ID. Oh, it'll create it. So this will take in a I'll have it get brought in by the fucking I'll have it brought in by the thing. By the program. I got these. All right. Thinking. All right, so I'll have it all brought in by on the outside. So I don't know why I have this. Here we go. We'll use this. We'll just bring in this. Do I need a pointer for that? I don't need a pointer for that. Content creator. There we go. So we'll bring in these. comma, YouTube. Star YouTube channel. Twitch. Star Twitch. Twitch.channel. Let's go ahead and do this. Boom. Boom. Make it a little bit more readable. I wish you can do this here, but it hates that. Oh, wait a second. It did it. Never mind. There we go. We'll just do it like that. It kind of looks like that. I thought usually it brings it back up. Then it looks weird. So, okay. And it'll return a content creator. A VOD. All right. Should we initialize anything in it? I don't think we need to. This will just be like just maintenance or ish. I think I can do like this can be doing like the downloads and everything, but then on the outside, I think that this will be the best choice. Okay, so ooh, we got that. Maybe we need to bring in like some channels. We need to bring out a quit. We need to bring in a quit channel. All right, so quit. It can be like an int. I think they just made it like an int on this thing. Quit. Yeah, they just made it an int. So this makes sure it only receives. All right, so creator, YouTube, Twitch, quit. There we go. So fucking easy. I can't think of anything that I need to initiate. Oh yeah, this is VOD. My bad. Do we need to know speeds? I guess I don't really care. Maybe I can. Oh. Maybe I can create like a lock. Let's add a mutex to this. Mutex. So oh, I didn't know I had to fucking do that. I thought I just automatically put it in there. Mutex isn't a pointer though, right? Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Must not be copied after first use. Yeah, that's not a pointer. Yeah. Yeah. Trilock bool. Wait a second. What's trilock bool? What's the other ones? Sync dot utex rw. RW is a reader-writer mutual exclusion lock. The lock can be held by an arbitrary number of readers or writers. The zero value for a RW mutex is unlock mutex. RW mutex must not be copied at the. If any go routine calls RW mutex while the lock is already held by one or more readers, concurrent calls to will block until the writer has acquired and released the lock. To ensure that the lock eventually becomes available to the writer, note that the prohibits recursive reading locks cannot be upgraded to, nor can it be downgraded to. What the fuck? Synchronizes before the mth call the lock of any n less m, just as for mutex. For any call in such the nth call that. What the fuck? I'm just gonna make it a log. A regular one. Sync map. Alright, so. And then I guess I'll take it in there. What the fuck? Why is this here? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Oh. My bad. Do I really need to have... I don't remember like having an issue with that. There we go. M. Literal copies lock the value from M. Well, you fucking... I've never had a fucking... what do I do? Like, do I just put a sync mutex in here? Oh, there we go. I can't think of anything else. How about we have like a funk v yeah, I think I need to have that because if I use the mutex lock on something, then yeah. Oh. Why do I need this mutex lock again? I can't remember. I put it in there for a reason. Because I wanted to change. Oh. Maybe I'll just use the database. Let's give it an ID. Let's give it an ID. I think I won't need it, but I think I'm gonna handle like everything, like speeds and shit like that, like what it should do to like for downloading in there. So run, Forrest, run. Select. Meow. V dot case V dot quit. Return, bitch. Default. So I think I need another like for loop in here. No, I don't. I can't have another for loop in here. Okay. I can have it like wait like every like second, right? Or maybe 10 seconds. So sleep. Time dot sleep. I don't know. 10 seconds. Is that a long time? There we go. This is a long time for a computer. It'll be like asleep for. This is like 3 gigahertz. What would that be? That'll be like asleep forever. All right. Does it return anything? No. So yeah, it'll sleep like, cause like if I have like an if statement, it checks something and then like, holy fuck, it could take forever. So I guess like we'll go in here and like check like the func or like if creator, if v dot creator dot time of day dot add. Last update is like time dot duration. Is this a function? No. What does like the duration? Wait a second. What is that? So I want to do a check. So time dot after. Oh. So I don't want to do that. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Holy shit, I might do this. Waits for the duration to elapse, then I don't know if I want to do this. I don't want to do this. Shit. I thought I was hitting the down arrow. Because what if I want to change it? New timer, new ticker. Time since. So time since v dot last update. This is the duration, right? Does it return error? No. If time.now is greater than, will this do this now? I don't know if I'll do this. V dot yeah. Oh, it doesn't do that. All right. So how do we compare them? Do they have like is greater than? New ticker now, parse. New ticker, local layout, date. Why don't they have a comparator? You know, sometimes people. All right, so time. All right, so time dot now dot seconds. So this is the seconds, right? If time dot now seconds is greater than v dot creator dot last update dot second. There we go. There we go. That's your comparator. I guess now I can do like if Twitch dot get all VODs database. What the fuck, dayo? Get streams API. Where does like the get like? V is V if V dot Twitch not equal to nil. V dot Twitch dot get all streams without video path. That's cleanup. Get streams downloading in progress now. Get streams needing downloading database. All right. How am I going to do cleanup while this is running? I guess I can do cleanup like on its own. That's a good idea. I can like every once in a while, like when this is, I can check to see, right? After this is ran, then I can sometime I can have like another if statement in here. Yeah. I feel like I'm doing a robot right now. I'm doing a robot. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So this will give me back all the shit. So this will give me like a. So let me just double check this. This is downloading in progress false, downloaded false. Okay, so yeah. Yeah. So, I don't know how often I should have like the API get called and update shit. Several times a day, I guess. Okay, streams, comma error. Can I do it? I guess I wanted to block. Yeah, let's have it block. Log error. I don't know if it's just not do it. Maybe I could set a flag in here that it didn't do it. Ooh. All right, maybe I can do that. Maybe I can set a flag that it didn't do it, and then yeah. And then I can like check to see if that flag has been set too. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I can hold the air in here too. What type of air? Holy fuck me. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love it. I can have like a type of error, and then I can like check to see like what kind it is. Oh my gosh. And then like I can do stuff accordingly to it. This is what I was kind of wanting to do before. But now that it's like kind of like on a channel like this, and then I know that I'm going to be like checking speeds and shit. So maybe I need to know like, okay, so like, ooh, I can have it check to see like the total amount of speeds. I don't know. That one's kind of hairy. All right, so yeah. Get streams needing downloading database. All right, so let's do the error log. And then we're gonna log it so I can see it. But yeah, I should have like an error flag. That might get a little hairy though. All right, so so I need to tell it like who it was. I don't necessarily need this. I need the content creator. So v.c. I think I should call that C. Okay. ID. Maybe I'll like call this like C Y YT TW. We'll call that quit and M. There we go. Why didn't I have it? Oh, so it's gonna yell at me. v.c.id. There we go. Expected blah blah blah. Expected D's nuts. That's what expected. All right, so we got our select 4. Oh, there's too many extras. All right, there we go. So it doesn't know what this is. So this is TW. This is C. This is TW. Okay, so I'm sure it's going to come back empty anyways. So I'm going to do the for loop for it. Equals range for stream, range of streams. All right. I was wanting to have like a we'll do the chat first because that's like a lot faster. So let's do the chat first. Twitch dot download. Wait a second. Stream download chat path base. Ooh. So I don't think they had the path base. So let's put the path in there. Base path. String. All right, so this will be ID creator, YouTube, Twitch, channel chat. All right, so this will be base path. string. Base path. There we go. All right, download chat. All right, so this will be v dot base path, comma, and in here, is it? I think I made it a handle function, but I should just make it something that's not because of the handle. I don't think. Yeah. So we'll just take this since it's here. So it just takes the creator name and the date. So this is in v.c.name, and then it gets a date from the stream. Date. All right. So this is called creator section. There we go. Cookies path. Oh, I need to check if it needs cookies. So I need to like bring in the cookies path too. Can I do that here? Yeah, it looks like shit though. There you go. I'm gonna call this cookies path. There we go. Oh, string. Common. What the fuck, dayo? Not enough arguments to call? Fuck off. So I gotta check to see if there's a cookies. So I guess like I'll need to make this needs a client also. Let's grab the client. Fuck. Do I really want to bring in a client? Well, I have to bring in the client to check the database. Okay. Let's bring in the client. There we go. This keeps on getting longer and longer. This keeps on getting longer and longer. All right. So, like, when I call it here, like, get, like, the channels coming in, they should be already initialized. The thing is like, I could grab it from here. Ooh, I guess I could. I don't know if it's public or not. No, I made it private. I don't want to grab it from there. I want to make this all up front. So, like, yeah, in here, like the Twitch channel itself has a client, right? But it doesn't. I need to, like, I think I'm gonna delete that. No, yeah, I think I'm gonna delete that because I'm calling him here. I call him here. Yeah. So I need to make a function that looks for the needs cookies. Needs cookies, DB check. And then bool. Return bool. Return true. Return false right now. So we'll have, like, this is like a, yeah. Check DB. So I have to make it. I just made that table, right? So, and then I got to make, like, update. Yeah. Yeah. Stream date, the creator section. All right. Okay, so I should have, like, a var cookies path string. So this will be empty, and if that's true, then cookies path equals v dot cookies path, and then we can put that in there. All right, so cookies path. Yeah. Comma. Live bool. This is VOD, so no, false. Ah! False. Yeah. And so this returns needs cookies. Needs cookies. There we go. If needs cookies. All right, so func Update needs cookies. DB. This will be value error. We won't return an error. What we'll do is just we'll write it straight to the log. Because like maybe if there is an error. Ooh. Maybe if there is an error, I just don't do it. I'll check this in the error. Yeah, that'll let me know. But if there's an error, then maybe I should set the date later, like the next day or something. Yeah. But like we don't really this is for Twitch, so we don't really care actually. Yeah, so this is for Twitch. We actually don't care. So let's delete these. And this will just be, there we go. Live stream, I do need it. All right, so if error not equal to nil, because like if you have cookies on a live stream, then you know, if you have like if you have an account that has like a Twitch, was it Turbo? Like it will if the account that has like Twitch Turbo, then it will I think I'm getting sick. If error is equal nil, then like we're gonna do like some health checkups. So do some checking. Do some checking to try to fix. All right. There we go. Set a future flag. There we go. Yeah, if you have the cookies are based on with one of your accounts that has like Turbo, then like it will have the commercials while it's doing it. Yeah. So it'll probably be a smart idea to have it for like an account. Not your main one. All right, so boo 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 boo. Eventually, like doing this, like you want to get to the live stream. All right. All right. Stream.download chat. I should probably have like, I should make like a small like private function that does something with this. Right? Like func v star beauty work like Twitch beauty stuff. Yeah. So it'll make this one like a lot easier to read. A lot of this, like, I can't return an error. I can only like do stuff to do it. So like, yeah. Yeah. I'd put this all in here. How long does this go? So this, Control X, and then v.twitch VOD stuff. All right. So this will be download VOD. No new things on the left side. What the fuck? So I got the creator section. So v.basepath, creator section, temp folder string. Oh fuck. Temp folder string. Temp folder, comma. Temp folder. Maybe the handler will, maybe I'll put this in the handler. All right, so creator section, yeah, comma v dot temp folder, comma base path, creator section, temp folder, yeah. There's no cookies involved in this. 1, 2, 3. Wait a second. Oops. Why did I delete that? Comma. So I think I'm gonna have like a function here. It's gonna get it from the database. I think that's the only way to really do it. So like, it'll take like the worker ID. All right, so get speeds for Twitch. DB, get DL speeds. And then this will be like, I think it's like in sections. So multi downloads and rate per downloader. Okay. We'll just do like, we'll just call it N and rate. And it's actually like capital N is like, yeah. And yeah, N, I forget what they call it. And yeah, I forget what they call it. So this will return in rate. So call to database that will give rates that will calculate speed to download. Yeah. I don't even know if it. Maybe I'll just grab them all. And then calculate. We'll figure out that function later. Right now, like, let's set it to like 2 and like 6. So all right, so this will be like rate n comma rate. All right. Okay, there's a 2 and 6. 2 and 6 is a good one. Yeah. Comma and rate worker ID. So we get our worker ID from here. So v.id. V.progress gen. All right, I put the progress gen in there, right? All right, I need to put the progress gen. So let's put it right before the quit. All right, so let's put the mutix up ahead. Oh, we'll keep it there. Okay, so what is this called? Shit. Fuck. Where's it at? Is it video? Wait a second. Progress. Okay. Chan. Before the quit. Which one does it take? I don't remember which one it takes. Okay, it's a channel that goes into it. All right, so progress Chan. Video progress. All right, so we'll do this one. And this will be a progress Chan. What? There we go. Yeah, this is getting out of control, chat. Like, I can probably do this. There you go. Progress CH. That's it. And then, like, we'll do this. So this will do like cleanup stuff. Maybe we can do a re-download. I don't know. Like in the middle of it. But like we want to check. Like I noticed things like where stuff was being put. Like where stuff was like in the database. Like there's a path. So I can do like a check to see like to fix that. Right. To check to see if it downloaded partially or something like that. Like maybe it stopped in the middle of it. I don't know. But there are checks that can be done. And if everything is successful. So I guess like, let's have like a success and a success here. Then we can update. Like this, like where was that at? We can update like, oh, let's return like success. Okay, so we'll do like update. Update. Let's help to update the last update. So return true. So maybe I can have like some vars in here. Chat good. DL good. Cool. Else. Chat good equals true. DL good equals true. If chat good and DL good turn true. Let's return false. I think almost 100% of the time, even if I get like, even if it's probably just gonna say update it no matter what. Because, well, maybe I'll say like false and I just wanted to redo this again, but like, I don't want to really go into here and try to re-download chat if it's already been fucking downloaded, right? So And I guess I could do like, I can check the database again for it. Ooh. And I guess I could have other flags. This can get complicated. This can get complicated. So we'll think about other flags we might want to set. But yeah, this is, here we got this going on. And then I can spin this up for every channel. If there's a new channel though, so this won't be creating like a new one, but like we'll probably have like an initialization. So channel worker, maybe I'll have like a channel controller. Channel manager. Channels manager. We'll just call it controller. So this will like spin up like new ones. Package, data handler. Func. Wait a second. Type. Controller. So maybe like this one, like this will add like new channels. Spin up. So I think it's gonna need like about everything else like this one here. The bad thing is that I was thinking like I can parallelize how these aren't going to be running all the time, like once a day. This here, channel worker, yeah. Yeah, this will be for the YouTube. So I still gotta like do like the see if there's a YouTube API. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And like if v.youtube not equal to nil. I think I want to download more than one a day. Here's the thing, like man, we'll just do streams for this one. And I should have like a thing that checks to see if streams are, yeah. I should check to see if like, if it's a dual stream on the VODs. And prioritize the chat one or the YouTube one or the Twitch one over the YouTube, because YouTube will, yeah, they're harder. So like v.tw not equal to nil, and v.yt not equal to nil. Do some sort of check to see if it was a dual stream. Have to check API. Check API. I should have like do one for clips. So update. Oh, where is it? So v dot a dot tw set. Ooh. Update. No. Did I not make one of these? So I need to make one that updates the channel. Wait a second, is it for C? Ooh, I haven't done anything for that. I don't think. Yeah, I need to make one for that. So not here. Yeah, I need to have a database like update. It's 153. Holy shit. Create a function that updates the c.time of day update, or c.last update. So it probably won't be here. It'll be after the YouTube. Okay. Ooh. Maybe we don't need it there. Maybe we need it in here. Oh shit. I gotta think about this. Last downloaded stream. Yeah, I gotta like delete these. What do we have for Twitch? Last API to update. Maybe I need to have like a last. Luckily it's, yeah, maybe I need to have like a last like initialized bool. That's, yeah, that's the API initialized. Maybe I need to do like last download update. Last, yeah. 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 Luckily, I only have like so many, so yeah, let's do that. So create a function that updates. Create a function. Here. And maybe like I'll have like for here time now at seconds. I'll have one for Twitch and then one for YouTube. All right. All right. So create a function that updates a variable in v dot tw that doesn't exist yet. That will update when the last download. There we go. I mean, like, I can fucking do that somewhere else. I can do that in here too, but this is getting like huge. And you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this below it. For the if above. Let's do on the side here. Maybe do this for Twitch and YouTube individually, because there might be like errors like for Twitch and YouTube, right? Yeah. I think like what would be a good time is like after it ended and like, yeah. Do one that will update the clips. No, there'll be one somewhere else. This is just for downloading, so we don't have to worry about that. All right, so yeah, this is just for downloading. All right, so YouTube will be a lot hairier, and I needed to do like a YouTube thing. All right. Yeah. And I guess if there wasn't anything in there, like, should I check every second? I don't know. I was thinking about, like, what if this is length of 0? If len of streams is 0, return true. Because that'll be false anyway. Like, I guess I could chat bad. Chat good. Daniel good. There we go. How about this? Comma deal good equals true, comma true. Right, and then this will equal false. False. There we go. And I can just do this. There we go. So I just check if they're good or not. Now I don't have to have like a thing that'll interrupt any of this. Because if this is 0, len is 0, then I'll just return they're both true and then just update them all. Maybe I can do like a half day thing. Maybe I could check if they're like, you know, update last date. And I could do like a, I don't know, maybe I can check every quarter. It won't kill me. It won't kill me, right, chat? I should say, like, I should call this next update. Ooh, yeah. I should rename this the next update. Consider. Wait a second. I don't like this. Last update would always here, like time now dot seconds will always be greater than the last update. I'm gonna leave this on air. All right. Now seconds, like this would be like this would have to be like plus something. Yep. Doesn't make sense. Since we need to change it because now because now will always be larger than the previous update. Yeah. I left it on an air, but you don't need to do it like that. Preferably change the column name to make it make sense. Maybe to next update. Yeah. Which would be like a later date. So it'd be like duration, blah, 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 blah. Right. There we go. And I want to do it. And I want to do it on a per source like YouTube and Twitch. All right. So we left it on air. That's fine. Controller. All righty. So we're kind of getting somewhere. This is more long term. Like you can have hundreds of thousands of them. I'm not going to be downloading hundreds of thousands, but yeah. But yeah, All right, chat. It was a good one. I think it's a good time to call it. It's late. I want to like add this song to my list. Sticky situation. Remove from like songs. Add a cue. All right, now I can close this. All right, that didn't feel like a I'm dying, I'm gonna get sick cough. It just felt like my throat's a little scratchy cough. All right, appreciate y'all. Thank you very much. I will be on later on tonight. I don't think I'm gonna be on during the day. I gotta help my son build a computer, and I gotta run some cable. So, or like a Ethernet cable in the attic to his room. I'm tired of like tripping over a fucking cable we have running in the hallway. So about a 50-foot cable, that should be plenty of space. And yeah, I got to start by running it down the front, and then yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have to figure out like where it is, like where his room kind of starts and run it across. Ugh. Attic time, and it's gonna be fucking hot, so I better do it in the morning. I better do it first thing in the morning. All right, have a good one, everybody. I appreciate y'all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.